This compact campervan comes with features such as an electric awning, a mind-blowing bathroom, and an amazingly flexible bedroom, all at the price range of $48,000. This is the Chausson V594L that looks like one of the best affordable campervans out there. Let's take a look.
Motorhome luxury.
The first look at the body of this campervan is going to impress you a lot, especially if you love compact and sleek designs. The whole body is very sleek and elegant, giving a very friendly vibe. Since it's a 19.67-foot-long campervan, it gives you more parking options, and it can also go to places where those big motorhomes would find it difficult to go. At the front, you can see an aerodynamic design that will help the vehicle drive more smoothly on the road. There is a pretty big windshield, giving you enough visibility on the road. You can also see the logo of Chausson just beneath the headlamps. There's a very beautiful design beside the logo which enhances the overall look of the campervan. The M594L is based on a Fiat chassis and comes with an engine of 120 horsepower. Coming to the sides, you get the entry door to the passenger seat in the cab area with a mid-sized window. A point of attraction here are the tires, which are 15-inch mid-sized tires that look quite amazing. I'll be honest, these are not huge off-road tires, but for a 19-20 feet campervan, these are just perfect. Up next, we have a big sliding entry door that leads to the camper section of the vehicle. It comes with its own unique features, which I'll be talking about in a bit. For now, let's just keep moving. On the main entry door, you get a mid-sized window which can be opened from the inside. It's a tinted fiberglass window that is durable, as well as gives you extra privacy inside the van. Speaking of good things, let's take a look at the wonderful awning this little campervan has. It's a powered awning that can be operated from the inside of the van and also comes with support legs to withstand heavy wind, allowing you to enjoy your morning outdoor breakfast or evening snack with full comfort. It's also important to talk a bit about the amazing design pattern Chausson has followed on the upper sides of the campervan. The small black designs on the upper sides create a very attractive look for a campervan with its already white and black color pattern. It's a small element, but can catch the eye of the people very quickly. Moving forward, you get the freshwater tank that allows you to fill fresh water inside the campervan. Its capacity is 26.41 gallons, so you won't be running out of water very soon. Let's now head to the rear of the campervan and see how it is there. First of all, you'll be getting a huge entry door at the back as well. However, in order to get inside from this side, you either need to be a small kid or someone who likes jumping and climbing. But there's another option too. Let's see. The back of the V594L has a two-door setup at the back, each with a window. At the top, it has a tail light along with two large headlights at the bottom of this section too. The design of the back is more boxy, which is very contrasting to the front design. When you open the doors, you get a big storage compartment at the bottom left side of the bed. In this compartment, you can store 2 gas bottles. But the best thing about the rear is the option to get massive extra space by removing the bed completely. To do that, you need to first take the bed mattress out of the platform on which it rests. Then, you simply need to attach the platform or bridge to the hook present there, and there you go. After removing the bed, you get massive space in the area that gives you plenty of storage options. Not just that, you can now even make your way right up to the cabin from the back. Going to the other side, you get the removable toilet cassette that's connected to the toilet. By the way, which one do you prefer more? A removable toilet cassette or a black water tank? Let me know in the comments. There is also a small window just above the cassette which is connected to the bathroom. Again, a small yet helpful addition. Going forward, you get one more window along with the fuel tank and the charging port that's necessary for the proper functioning of the appliances inside the van. One important thing to mention is the solar panel installed on the roof of the Chausson that gives the power to operate the interior appliances such as the fridge, control panel, and the other electrical appliances inside the campervan. This means that even if you go to a remote place for a long trip, you won't be relying completely on electricity power outlets. There isn't any storage compartment on the exterior of the van, but Chausson has compensated that in the interior very strategically. Let's now come to the main entry door. It comes with an electric assistive step and lighting to help you get inside more conveniently. Let's quickly get inside the camper van and see its unique dinette section and the flexible rear bed. Stepping inside, you can see the kitchen and the living area of the camper van. From the very first glance, you can see how neatly designed it is. The strategic placement of the dinette set, the kitchen countertop, and the cab seats give you extra space in this compact camper van, something very important for the customers. The dinette section includes a very nice sofa that can comfortably seat 2 people, a nice table that can also be extended or removed, whatever you like, and a window on the side for complementary aesthetics. You can also add the captain chairs in the cab area to the dinette set by simply swiveling them to this side, making space for 2 more people at the dinette table. And this is just the start. The camper van is full of such little tricks and hacks that will make your life much easier and happier. For example, the dinette table can be extended as well as completely removed from the area. You can attach it outside at the main entry door to complement your outside breakfast plans. But you cannot keep it outside every time, right? In such a case, you can simply lower the table and fold the sofa to convert this beautiful dinette section into a cozy single bed perfect for your kids. Another small yet crucial hack in this camper van is the storage area. You get storage compartments beneath the sofa as well as above the window on the side wall, which looks sufficient to store some of stuff, whether it's snacks or your books. One very attractive element in the dinette section is the panoramic skylight that's just above the table. You can open it to take a fresh look at nature, even while you're on the road with the van. Plus, it allows natural light and air to come inside the vehicle as well. So that's another good thing, isn't it? It has a big LED light just beside it that brightens up the dinette section very beautifully. The kitchen is right beside the living area or the dinette area, whatever you'd like to call it, and it is very neat and highly finished. It consists of a 2-burner gas stove, a nice little sink that comes with a faucet, and plenty of drawers in which you can keep the necessary utensils, cutleries, and food items. All these drawers come with push-to-lock or push-to-open features, so when you are on the road, the items in these drawers will not fall, giving you peace of mind. The most interesting part about the kitchen is its fridge that's installed on the side of the countertop, just beside the main entry door. It's a small fridge positioned at the floor level. The fridge can be opened from both sides and has enough space to keep your food items fresh for even a week's trip, which is pretty nice. Plus, on the other side of the kitchen countertop, the V594L has a big wardrobe in which you can put all your clothes very comfortably. It has a hanger inside so you can even hang your clothes there. Plus, there is lighting inside it, so even during the dark, the wardrobe will function perfectly. To mention, there is another storage compartment above the kitchen countertop, fulfilling your storage requirements even more properly. Just opposite, there is the bathroom of the V594L that's one of the highlights of the camper van. Why? Let me tell you. The bathroom has a very nice door that gives you all the privacy you need in the bathroom. Inside, you get a wet bath consisting of a toilet cassette, a small sink, mirror, and a nice shower. What makes this bathroom more special and different than other bathrooms of this range is the space that you're getting. Keeping in mind that it is a 19-foot camper van, you get plenty of space in the bathroom. Also, usually, you get an extendable faucet that can be used as a shower head in most of the camper vans of this range. But in the V594L, you get a separate shower head that feels more luxurious. And now, let's come to the bedroom. It has something very special for you. The bedroom consists of a mid-sized bed that can sleep 2 people, plenty of big storage compartments in which you can keep your clothes, books, and other essential items. There is another skylight just above the bed that'll give you a very nice look at the sky. Beneath the bed, you get a huge storage space in which you can store all sorts of things, from tables and chairs to barbecue grills and so on. However, the best part about this bed is that it is very flexible, and you can use it differently during the day and the night by removing the bed altogether, as I already explained earlier. Let's now head to the driver's cabin and see what the camper van holds for its drivers. The cab area becomes a very comfortable place for the driver in the V594L. It has 2 large captain chairs which can be swiveled, adjusted for height as per your preferences, and even has double armrests for complete comfort. The windows and the windshield also have blinds, ensuring you get proper privacy inside the van when you need it. You get a pretty good dashboard as well that focuses more on the analog system, but also has a very good smart display screen at the center. Combined together, it gives a balanced look to the cab area. Now the question is, do you think it's a good camper van for such an affordable price? If you're looking for luxury camper vans for seniors at affordable prices, here's the perfect video for you. Click on it and we'll see you soon with another luxury motorhome.